Some believe and some do not believe, whatever it is. Some believe sons of God and some do not believe. This is one man who done a research on the sons of God. His name is Lethbridge. And through Hinduism, they're married. Okay. But whatever it is, even the Hindus, the story of the Hindus, the Hindus also are the sons of God. Who came down and got married to the Hindus for Allah. They call the sons of God. Came down, got married. You see about the book, Chariots of course, Erich von Däniken. Now, all these are in the Bible. In fact, many of these tales are here. Even the Hindus have got their own tales, like people coming from the sky. But are they actually from UFOs? Maybe. Why so specified?
Why not? They start coming down, for instance, in UFO.
Yeah?
Stop coming down.
We don't know they have not come down. We don't know they have not been. It's gone missing. Even not really the Bermuda Triangle. I'm not talking even. It's not even the Bermuda Triangle. A lot of ships and all that gone missing, preserved. They believe that it could be UFOs. There's different theories about what's gone missing. Some say it's UFOs, captured. But the wonderful part is that they were the seas. One of them got a radio message. I read to you before. Hey, I'm seeing land and all that. But it haven't been land. As far as the control is concerned, they're in the sea. But see, I'm seeing land, green land, I'm landing. You see, it's landing where? Illusion or another parallel dimension. These are things where the unexplained falls are very important. No, this book is very important after all. For finding more information.